Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the additional settings, to the language in region, then to the language, and here you can select your system language. So here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian, and then just tap done, and then change to Ukrainian. And after that, your system language will be changed to Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the parametry, then to the Mova i region, then Mova, and here you have to select English, and then tap Готово. Змінити на англійська. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.